KOHO, your digital financial BFF. But can it take cash? Ever get that sinking feeling when you realize your wallet's bursting with bills, but your digital spending account is looking a little lonely? We've all been there. Maybe you're paid in cash or just prefer the feel of paper money. So, when it comes to managing your money with KOHO, a popular challenger bank in Canada, can you bridge the gap and turn that cash into digital gold? Let's dive in. The allure of KOHO. KOHO has taken Canada by storm. It offers a fee-free account with a sleek app, sweet features like cashback rewards and roundups to boost your savings, and even the chance to build your credit score. Plus, their MasterCard debit card lets you tap, pay, and slay your daily transactions. Sounds pretty dreamy, right? But what if your income isn't as digital as KOHO? Cash is still king, for some. Look, let's face it. Cash isn't going extinct anytime soon. Garage sales, birthday gifts from grandma, or even that side hustle you do for extra bucks, sometimes, cash is just how things get done. But can KOHO, as awesome as it is, become your cash deposit buddy? The reality, KOHO and cash don't exactly tango. Here's the not-so-fun truth, KOHO doesn't accept direct cash deposits. That means no stuffing bills into ATMs or handing them over at a counter. KOHO operates purely in the digital realm. But hold on, this doesn't mean you're out of luck. KOHO offers a few alternative ways to get that cash flowing into your account. Workaround number 1, embrace the online transfer. If you have a bank account with online banking capabilities, this is your golden ticket. Most banks allow you to transfer money between accounts, so you can simply move funds from your traditional bank account to your KOHO account. It's a quick and easy way to bridge the cash gap. Workaround number 2, the interac e-transfer friend. Got a friend or family member with a bank account that allows interac e-transfer? This peer-to-peer transfer service lets you send and receive money electronically. Just ask your friend to send the cash equivalent from their account to yours, then transfer it from your bank account to KOHO. It's like a digital cash relay race. Workaround number 3, payroll power. If your employer offers direct deposit, this could be a game changer. Set up your KOHO account as your direct deposit destination, and voila! Your paycheck magically gets deposited into your digital haven, eliminating the need to deal with cash at all. KOHO, cash-light but feature-rich. While KOHO might not be your best bud for direct cash deposits, it makes up for it in other ways. The app is user-friendly, the rewards can be substantial, and the focus on saving and credit building is a huge plus. Plus, with the rise of mobile wallets and contactless payments, carrying cash is becoming less and less necessary. KOHO and cash. So, can you deposit cash directly into KOHO? No, but that doesn't mean KOHO can't be your financial partner. With a little creativity and the handy online transfer or interac e-transfer options, you can bridge the gap between your cash and your KOHO account. Ultimately, KOHO is a great option for those who are comfortable managing their finances digitally and can find ways to work around the cash deposit hurdle. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.